Hello guys, how you doing? I hope you had a good London session or performed very good during the London session in both GOAT and Nasdaq. We're about to go through them pretty fast because we have just less than 5 minutes. So GOAT, yay, there was a beautiful buy, 8 o'clock. With this candle here. I think we entered at 1 minute. Was it on 1 minute? Yes, 1 minute. We entered at 1 minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It was still this one. We entered right here. And we went out on 1 point something, 1.3, something like this. It was on the third push here. So we went out somewhere here. There was a good liquidity right here, and we managed to take that Asian high. So on 5 minutes perform even better if we see 2, 3 candles right here. There we go. But we didn't enter, so this is A plus setup on 5 minutes. This is what you're looking for. This candle is a bit bigger, 7.48, so this is a minus. Apart from that, we had the great Asian highs target, which is 1.36. Amazing. And it went up even to 251, so perfect trade on 5 minutes. On the other hand, we had Nasdaq, which had this where are the Asian lows? 6th of May, 1 o'clock, 5. I remember we targeted those lows. Yes, the Asian lows on 1 minute. It was looking like this. Good breakout candle. And again, perfect setup, 1.3. A plus setup here as well. A plus setup, and it went even lower. It went 5, so 5, 6, 7. Today's potential of the orb was 8R. 8R for today's orb potential. And of course, it's very hard to get the full margin out of it. And on 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3. On 5 minutes, we have a great breakout here. Even if you went late on this one, if you wasn't sure for this one, because I wasn't sure for this one, we already were in on 1 minute, but I wasn't sure on this one. Again, great target, 3R on 5 minutes. If we take both gold and Nasdaq on 5 minutes, they both make a little bit more than 6R. Beautiful. So it would be great if somebody is active in the chat. If there's someone who is watching us, it would be great, because I don't think I'll keep talking to myself like a crazy person. I'll be just trading, and yeah, I'll be sharing my thoughts, but I won't go in details if there's no questions or anything like this. Probably I'm gonna stop the camera as well and the mic, and I'll be just trading at least until somebody joins and asks questions. Okay, market open. We're above Asia high. This is the big picture. If we want to play with the trend, then we need to buy. And Nasdaq is the opposite. Whoa, what a candle. If we want to play with the trend, where is the 1 hour? Yes, we gotta sell. I see it as 1 minute sell on Nasdaq and gold can go both ways. Let's see the price action. Is there gonna be change of character? Is there any major liquidity? Right, we collected from here. There is some here. Those highs. Liquidity grab here. We have all those highs as well. Make it on 1 hour. Good liquidity here, and the all-time high. It's way above. The major question we will need to ask ourselves: how this 1 hour candle gonna close in the next 27 minutes, and where it's gonna go? Can we see it turning around and going black? I see it, yeah. Can we see it keep going green and push forward for this liquidity? Yeah, I can see that as well. On Nasdaq is giving very mixed signals on 1 minute. We left those liquidity levels down here, which I don't like. I really want to see if on 1 hour US 500, no, US 500 didn't took them away as well for SMT. So those lows are up for a grab. Those lows here on both instruments, which is not ideal. So we can see 1 minute push down. But 1 hour candles, they're telling us, oh, sellers are not very strong. Maybe buyers are coming in. This is what they're telling us. And it's the opposite for gold. Okay, let's go on 1 minute on both and watch them side by side. And we can mark our areas. 1, 2, 3. Now, the good thing about both is that none of them is ranging, none of them is considerating. Both of them have a pretty strong trend, pretty strong move, which is good when you're trading the orb. This is the last candle. A bit big picture, 1 hour. Okay, we have our orb. Buying on Nasdaq looks good on 1 hour. Selling on goat. At the moment, I think it's way riskier than buying on Nasdaq. They're both in the opposite direction that way of the trend. Yeah, I'm pretty sure with this candle we're gonna close above. Gold is trying to close below. Yeah, gold is closing below. Not very certain. It didn't close. We're still watching. 1 hour candle on gold can flip in black. This is for certain. They're both playing just on the line. Okay, gold is pushing now. And I'll be going in on gold. Just want to see this candle. Yeah, I'm in on gold. Now, right here, we have the Asia high at 86. So if we go 87, we're gonna move to break even. It's 0.5 exactly, 87. We had such a beautiful candle. In our favor. Three viewers. What do you think, guys? How does it look for you? We're against the trend again, just like yesterday. Hopefully we won't get the yesterday's work. Now here we made 0.67 and we didn't move to break even, which is our mistake. One hour candle flipped again. Nasdaq is looking better. Yeah, I think it will take us out now. If this is not an order block, it will just take us out. It's our mistake. We didn't move to break even when we could. Nasdaq price action is not so good as well. We wanted to see that initial push as we had it here with this beautiful candle. And I was expecting a second candle just like this and very fast TP for 2 minutes. I was expecting that, to be honest, when I saw this push. But we grabbed liquidity from here and just went back higher. Hopefully this is a retrace for the down move. But if this candle returned the whole black candle up, okay. Sellers is showing some pressure. Nasdaq, we're going on 5 minutes now. Because we have the 15 minutes. Okay, we're back on the price. Now, many of times we can see how key areas like the Asian high, you see we grab it here. It didn't act as a resistance, but after that it acted as a support once, twice, and it went up. So I was expecting at least to tap this area here. and to see this green candle after that, not before that. So it's a bit of a strange move here. This candle at 1440. Just playing with our nerves. It came to our price and then back up again. Maybe we had to kill it when we had the option to do it. At first place, it's our mistake that we didn't go break even. Okay, on 1 minute, it seems Nasdaq made a fake breakout, and it will return to the bottom now. I won't be mad if we break the 5 minute below, because we collect liquidity and we continue with the trend. But our target is very, very small return ratio here. It will be very small. Either 500 S&P or Nasdaq took those lows. Ooh, this rejection candle of gold looks nasty. Scalpers are going in. Yeah, that was a good scalp here. Yeah, it's gonna take us out any moment. Yeah. Yeah, with the right entry. If this is this is the op. We enter here. We enter a bit late as well. So we have 0.68. So we had to move to break even here. Let's see this 5 minute candle. We're gonna wait for this 5 minute candle. If we see an entry on gold, I'm not interested in buys, to be honest. Same situation like yesterday. We already made very big move. Now the downside is if Nasdaq close with very big candle, we can go in there as well. Because yeah, we're gonna take those lows. And from here we can have a reversal. It'll be interesting to see how it's gonna react after those lows. Okay, nobody's writing. I'll be a bit away with the mic and the video. Now we took the lows, and this is very risky one. We almost took them. This is a 100% reversal. 100% reversal place. So if you're entering, enter with very small risk. Smaller than usually. Okay, I mean, again, this is with very small risk because it's just for the sake of the orb. Took us out, came to the price. No, those lows are up for a grab. Takes just a bit of them, but not the lower low. Yeah, take the first liquidity and reversed. Okay, we took this liquidity here, and as we expected, a big move, and this is a new 1 hour candle. Now, something in our favor is that the candle opens up, so we hope this is gonna be the week, and we're gonna see even further move down. But this is a very risky trade. We have this liquidity level here. This is a resistance area. We have this fair value gap, which pushed the price once. I won't be surprised to do it again. This is the most logical. This is the logical thing. We put this trade against any logic. We put it only with the candle breakout from the 5 minute. But everything else is saying buy, 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 buy. Liquidity area, buy, buy, buy. Fair value gap where the price wants react, buy, buy, buy. But yeah, well, as I said, small risk, just for the sake of it. We'll see what's gonna happen. Yeah, let's keep on watching. Gold is ranging on 5 minutes, so nothing interesting there. It's almost, yeah, it's 3 o'clock, and we're still in range there. But as I said, we had already very big push during the Asia, and after that London, we went from 63 to 95. So this is another big push. At the moment, I don't expect anything fabulous from it, so we're just watching. We're not gonna trade on gold. Yeah, that doesn't look good, but we'll see. This might be a retrace. As I said, this might be 1 hour top wick. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close the stream now. Um, yeah, it would take us out, as I said. It grabbed this liquidity and it went very high, as well as this imbalance in price. Yeah, we just enter for the sake of it. We haven't entered on gold. I'll upload the recap now, and yeah, stay safe and have fun on the market.